Here we are on the Carrd website builder. Now, this short tutorial is just going to show you how to publish your website and the different options available to you. So let's say you have a website here like we have, you're happy with it, you've uploaded your images and it is ready to go. What you need to do next is click over here, click publish. Now there are a couple of things you've got to do and a couple of options that you have. So first you need to give it a title. So you're going to say my site. The description is required. And like it says here, it's what's usually used in bookmarks, search engine listings, etc. So my site is about web design, for example, but you want a better description than that. Now, this is the most important part. You can use Carrd for free if you use the basic features and if you use a carrd.co URL. This means that you're going to have a subdomain on the Carrd website. So it might be mywebsite.carrd.co. Whatever you want to call your website.carrd.co. Now the implications here are that this is going to live on the carrd.co URL. And if you change your website builder in the future, let's say you want to use Squarespace or you want to use Webflow, then it is more challenging to redirect traffic from here to your website. The other way to do it, and what most people are going to do, is to use a custom domain. So think of this as mywebsite.com or AIRecipeBuilder.com, for example. Whatever your app or your website or your login is called. In this case, it might be RachelDeckard.com. This was the name that came with the theme. This is going to take some work to do, okay? This is going to require you having your own URL. Now, this is where you can find your URL here, search it, and buy this. Prices vary, but there are usually some type of offers available for domain names. Look, for example, here, there's a code here, $6.49 a year for this domain. Usually they're around $15 to $20 a year after the promotion. Now, going back to this, let's say that you buy your domain here, Namecheap or GoDaddy, then you enter your domain here, and then you need to click this link here and follow the instructions in terms of using this domain. Now, you can also use AI as well to help you with it. So ChatGPT to go through saying, I have a carrd.co website and I want to link GoDaddy to Carrd. But if you click on this here, it's going to tell you exactly how to do it with GoDaddy, how to manage your DNS. Then you can add in the CNAME record and add in the A record, which you're going to get when you type this in here. Now, this is a premium feature with Carrd. So as we're looking at the pricing plans, there is the entry level at $9 a year, but to use a custom domain, you'll need the $19 a year. So this is individuals branding their sites with custom domains and using forms and collect email addresses and customer feedback. Now you can have a look at the pricing plans in depth before choosing, because there's also the Pro Plus plan. But for most people, this Pro plan or Pro Standard plan, $19 a year is the most popular one. And this is a one that allows you to use your own custom domain. So get your custom domain, enter it in here, follow the instructions and the DNS records, click this here to follow the step-by-step instructions. And what this is going to do is your domain provider is going to point to Carrd, and then that means your website will be live. Now, before you go, two things to do. Check the description for more tutorials on Carrd, because we have lots of different tutorials on how to use this website builder. And then also go to nocode.mba/updates and stay updated on the latest news, because no code and AI move quickly, and you can join a community of 20,000 fellow no coders and get the latest tutorials and news all about no code and AI. So thank you for watching, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.